bit of a different video for you today. Me and Dylan, we're off to we're going to Blackpool, the Jewel of the North. We're going to Blackpool for a Extreme BHP meet. We're going to go and check out some of the cars there and stuff. So yeah, and maybe go through the lights, maybe get some chips, maybe get them stolen by seagulls. Who knows? But yeah, we're going to bring you along. So yeah, enjoy the ride.
Ship stations, classic of Blackpool. Got music. He's probably loving the attention.
That's it.
Looking straight at our car. Oh God, we've just been smoked out. Oh, it's in the car.
Get away from him, that stinks.
Yeah, it's a smoky one. As soon as we stopped filming, we got bombed with.
That stinks.
Yeah, we got this. We got hit with some smoke. Was it burnout smoke or was it just exhaust?
No, it's diesel. Just diesel.
Just diesel smoke. That's pretty cool. I'm just gonna get a jump scare out of nowhere.
Yeah, it's for Halloween. It's got like bloodhounds all
Oh, what is?
That is cool. Look at this one part right next to it, that's a beast. There is a properly good mix of everything here, isn't there? Like old school classics.
Yeah.
Sorry, pal.
Oh no, not more bass.
Still wish I had my old one.
That bass is crazy on them speakers.
That guy nearly got run down.
The
Run
bass
over.
is crazy on them speakers. I feel it. It is cold.
You what, mate? So you're feeling cold?
Not really.
Is that what, oh, I thought that's what you said.
No, it's just a thing. Like when something looks cool, you just say, yeah, that's cold.
There's so much to look
Okay,
at.
someone's horn going off. That's what I want. Could be it. That's interesting. White and black.
Yeah. Has he just arrived or is he leaving? Oh, look at that.
Is that one of the ones that go?
It might be. Oh, it's a police car.
Why is it?
Oh, that paint. That paint's really cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's spacey, that, isn't it?
What is?
Something, I don't know, something's dead bassy.
Yeah, it is.
That's cool, look at that. It's Eleanor. That's cool, Do you know how much they are?
Yeah.
About 100 grand.
Really?
Yeah. Head this way. The colours inside too.
Oh my god. That's dead cool.
Yeah, it's smart, isn't it? Oh look! Whee!
What, Neb?
Black Buddha's here in spirit. micro. It's absolutely going mental here, isn't it? I cannot believe. Look, people can't get out. Oh yeah, that's cool. He's revving that, that's the SUV. Exit there. I don't know why people aren't using it, to be fair. Oh dude, come over here, look at this Jetta.